Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.